Get ready with me for a traditional Tibetan wedding. I start with getting my hair all nicely clipped back and gelled down, and then I start by putting in braided extensions. This is followed by colorful extensions called chapshu. Takes a lot of practice to put them in. Next, I put on my blouse, which in this case comes from a company called GRWM, slightly modernized but mostly traditional. Yes, my pants are tucked into my socks. It just makes life a lot easier at this stage. Now I start putting on my chuba, or here it's just called pegi. And this is a large robe that is pleated in the back to be fitted. And this is a formal one, so it's extremely heavy. And that's why eventually I decided I needed a little bit of extra assistance. This is like putting on a tuxedo. So this lovely lady who is also going to the wedding, she was able to get it all done in a record time. You can see she's wearing hers impeccably. I unfortunately don't have a knife because I came here by airplane. So now we have the ornamental belt. You can see that also at this point I'm already wearing the ornaments. They've been tied to the underbelts. Don't mind the laughter in the background. I'm in the one of the tents at the wedding. Necklace comes next. Got to make sure that my hair isn't tucked into it. A surprisingly common occurrence. And the earrings, these are actually really tricky because the bottom section goes into the ear while the top section goes over and is looped behind to put the weight on top of the ear instead of in the earlobe itself. And for the final look, a little bit of camera chaos, and then the Zachika sun hat.